Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 26th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Let's start. Okay. All right, so your core energy is Knight of Rods, and it is actually have come with the Lovers. So I really feel that there is some kind of a decision which was made in haste. Might be a love relationship, might be a love decision, a work decision. Something was taken in a hurry, and this thing actually didn't give you a lot of happiness, a lot of, you know um, this is not something which was meant to be yours, basically. So yeah, there was not love in the situation. No love is there. It is more of a, controlling situation I'm seeing over here, because with so many swords over here, I'm feeling that whatever this was, it was there mentally, might be intellectual bonding was there with the person, but it is more of just a spark. It was a small spark, and you thought that it was love, and but this isn't. Okay, so let's see what is this Knight of Rods over here. Because Knight of Rods is the playboy. Okay, so Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So yes, with the Knight of Rods in your reading, it is like you were involved, you found a little spark in this new person, and because they were independent, there was some kind of love messages, beautiful messages are there. There is some kind of, this person, or you might be this person as well, because you shared a lot of memories I'm seeing over here. There was something which you shared. Love messages were there. There was that kind of a feeling that both your ideas are matching, because that person has a very independent set of mind, and you also have that kind of a mindset. So that is why you were feeling that our mindsets are also equal. So what was the problem then? Let's see the Lovers. Nine of Cups with the Page of Swords. Okay, so it might be somebody you met online. So it was something, you started thinking about this person, you started wishing. There were some false promises also made over here, but uh, this was just for some time, because Page of Swords is a child. He just does what it feels, what it makes him feel like, happiness, something, some kind of spark. But this was not meant to be a long term thing. Okay, so let's see what is your subconscious energy. Emperor with the Judgment and the Magician. So at the back of your mind, you are you are very clear that this person was very dominating, might be an Aries or a Gemini. So very good at talking, very good at taking decisions. So you thought that this might be the person, but the Judgment Day was there, and you actually knew that whatever this thing is happening, it will not be so long. So You like someone, they are good at talking, they are good at making promises, so it makes you feel good, but somewhere at the end you know that it will not last long. Your conscious mind is Six of Cups, Ten of Cups, and the Devil. So, okay, so there is a strong attachment with this person. You are attached mentally, might be, or might be physically as well. You were attached, you were very much with this person, but memories are coming up in your mind, memories of a happy family. You actually thought that this was the man, this was the person, but this person actually, it is just an addiction and nothing else. So if you are thinking about this new relationship, whatever this was just an addiction, attraction basically. In the recent past, there's Justice card. Let's see what it is. Ten of Swords and Two of Wands. So there was a decision made over here, and there was an ending over here with this thing. With the two of Wands, I can feel that whatever this person or you took a decision, you finally saw that this thing is not working on. So somebody took a decision and ended this thing. This is ended. In the future, I see Five of Pentacles, the Sun, and Three of Swords. Yes, so there is an ending and it is going to continue. So no contact, I can see over here. You are left alone. You are feeling of left alone. There's a heartbreak over here with the Sun. It's more like it was not looking like that, but actually it is now becoming visible in front of you. So if you were feeling that this ending was just for some time, a temporary ending, but no, it is more looking, it is now actually coming on the surface. uh, Universe is also telling you, if it has ended, it is good for you. So let's see what are your energies. Ace of Swords with the Four of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. I see that it's in your side as well. You had a talk with this person. You had something. Okay. There is some kind of a feeling of rejection as well. Like you might have sent a message to this person and you didn't receive the answer back. So I really feel that there is some kind, some talks which were meant to happen, but it was only from your side and that person didn't even respond to you. So you are feeling a little being in rejection. Let's see their side. Queen of Swords. So they are cold. I don't feel love in their side as well. With the Strength, yes. Temperance, yes. So they are silent basically. They are in a mode, they are not involved with someone else. I don't see them involving with someone else. They are into their own mode right now. So might be taking some time to heal, might be taking some time, because if I'm talking about attraction, so it was from both the sides, your end as well as their end as well. So it's like they are taking some time to be healed from this relationship, because there was something, yes. That is why, only those people take time to heal if they are actually feeling alone, because there was something, there was a talk between you two which was very very clear, I can see. And both of you had a talk like head to head, or might be a talk from one side only. So they are being cold over here. They might are not talking because they are taking a lot of time to be healed. Okay, so let's see the guidance messages. Page of Rods with the Five of Pentacles and King of Wands. Okay, so the guidance message over here is actually, why you are separated, because there is a sense of immaturity in one side, because I see one person is the page and the other person is the king. So with the Page of Rods, the person, and both are not looking towards each other. This is moving looking towards that side, and the King of Wands looking towards this side. So it's more like, you know, one person being very immature, you just want to enter into a new relationship, just like that. Both can be a fire sign. It might be you in your other a fire sign in your chart as well, or might be the other person. So there was a sense of passion. I'm not talking about passion. Passion was there. This was a thing which was um, in both the sides, but there is some kind of immaturity at one part. Okay, so let's see the Eight of Swords in your overall outcome. Five of Swords with the Hermit. So I'm seeing that this restriction, there is some kind of fear. Yes, there is an ending over here, but this ending is actually taking you to a deep isolation, towards that part where you really need to find some answers. You need to see, you need to do some soul searching. I see that it is in both the parts, both the sides. You both are disturbed, you both need some time, and I really feel that when the time will come, you might even have a talk. Let's clarify it more. Wheel of Fortune with the Emperor. Okay, so time will change with the Wheel of Fortune. I can see that there is something really which is going to change, you know, some part which you might be, you felt abandoned, or might be the other person. So whosoever was right in the situation will get justice. I feel over here will get the answer which the other person is seeking. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Cancer. I hope you liked the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.